again, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm C. Israel Obufeyimi. So in today's video, what I want to quickly show you is how to remove background. There are lots of different ways. Sorry for using that sentence. There are different ways in which you can make use of, which you can remove your background. Yes. Especially in this era where AI is taking control of everything, there are lots of sites in which you can remove your background. So I have a video on my YouTube here that's talking about one particular AI site, Remove.bg. So today I'll also be showing you some few ways where you can be able and how you can be able to remove your background from your image. So what I'm going to do, the first one we'll be looking at here is called PHOTOROOM, right? Just go to your Play Store, and let me on my data. So go to your Play Store, right, and type in PHOTOROOM. This, something like that. So we'll consider this in this video. Consider this. So if you haven't downloaded before, it will pop up something here too that you should download. Maybe to install, like the one here, install. So I already downloaded it. I just have to update. No, right now I'm not updating it. I have it on my phone. So when you're done with that, it will be under your application. So here I have it in my application. This is PHOTOROOM here. You see that? So what I'm going to do here is I will click on PHOTOROOM. Okay, just patient. Then when it pops up something like this, you click on this particular site, you cancel it. So you want to take the pictures, you want to bring the pictures from your gallery. You click on start from photo. Start from photo. Right. So let's use any image here. Okay. Let's use this one. Let's use this. As simple as that. Can you see? It has removed the background of the image. As simple as that. So how do you download it into your phone? Then when it gets to this particular area, you click on transparent. Transparent simply means without background. If you want to download a picture with white background, black background, some other background, if you scroll down, you will see a lot of different things you can do. This application is very powerful. It has some other features that you can use it for. But today we are focusing on how to remove background with this application. So you click on transparent. Are you getting what I'm saying? Alright. So you click on transparent to bring you to this aspect of the application. Then you click on export. Here, click on export. Alright. So since it's the first time you're just using it, it will ask you this. You don't need it. Just click on maybe later. So when you click on maybe later, it will give you another aspect of the applications. Save to gallery, share. So what we have to do here is just to click on what? Save to gallery. Boom. Boom. As simple as that. So this image now is saved to our gallery without background. So how do you know that? You go to your PIXELLAB now, you want to make use of the background. Click on PIXELLAB. PIXELLAB, go to your gallery, click on this plus sign, go and bring the image. So the image will be, you want to locate for it, the image will be under PHOTOROOM in your gallery, or it will be under recent. You know, it's a recent things you just work on, but I just want you to know where you can find it. So it will have a folder. So this is where you'll be able to see. So if I click here now, I'll be able to bring it to my PIXELLAB without background. So if I click here, you see, anytime your image is in this format, it simply means it's without background. This format, I mean this particular when it has something like this. But there are some images that when you download it from the website, it might have this, but there will still be background in it. But what this particular thing is signifying is that it is a PNG format without background. Alright, so that about that. I will understand. But the second one I want to show us is how to use PIXELLAB. Some people use PIXELLAB to remove background, but I want to say that it's not the best option because it won't be able to remove the background perfectly. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. It won't be able to remove the background perfectly because majorly if it is background that is of different colors, it will be very hard for you to remove the background using PIXELLAB. Okay, let me give you an example of what I'm explaining. Let's say move to your gallery. Let's use an image let's use this image. You know, this image now it has different 2 colors here. So click on this. Now I want to remove the background of this. So I will click here. Now we scroll. I will click on erase color, this one. Then I will enable it. So what I want to do is I want to remove the background. Then I'll click on this particular thing. We call it picker. If you click on this picker, I don't know, maybe you see this one. That looks like a pen. You click on it. Then you click on the color you want to remove from the background. So we want to remove this color. You know, it has 2 colors now. Had it been it is 1 color, it will have been easy. Because of the 2 colors, when I click on this, let me click on this. I will mark it. Now. Can you see? The background has been removed. So what you're going to do next is click on plus sign, click on this one again, come to this place. So what I'm trying to explain the other time is that you can see the background is being removed, but it's not giving us the same result as this. But adding being the background is white, is a single color, especially when it is solid, all those solid color, single, it will be easy to remove. But when it has to do with 2 or more colors, PIXELLAB cannot do that. Based on my knowledge, right? There might be other features, there might be other ways of doing it. But as I'm concerned and this video is concerned, what I'm showing you here is that using this aspect to remove your background in terms of background that has 2 colors, it won't be convenient. It won't give you the exact result you're looking for. Okay, let me give you scenarios of image with white background. Let me go to my gallery, set for where can I get image? I'm sorry for that. Now, okay, let's look at this laptop. This laptop now is in what? Is in white background. Okay, let's try this. Now, I want to remove the background of this laptop. So what I'm going to do is that I'll go to my erase color and enable it. You can see it removed the background and also it affected the image. So for me to get the perfect thing here, I can just the tolerance. I can reduce the tolerance, increase it a little bit. I can still manage this using it for my design or for anything. You can see the background has been removed. The reason why it was possible is because it was a single color, right? It was a single color compared to this one. I hope you understand. It was a single color compared to this one. So these are two ways I will be showing you in this video on how to remove background. For more tips on how you can be able to do some amazing things with your phone, subscribe, click on the notification bell. I will have the information in there you do that, and immediately I upload the new videos, you'll be the first person to do that. Share this video with your friends or others so that YouTube can as well make these videos available for others. Thank you very much for your time. Have a lovely and a wonderful day. Bye.